Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have coordinates, now paste them in. Start by checking format. Decimal degrees are simplest. Open Google Maps on your device, click or tap the search box, then paste latitude, longitude exactly as provided. Once done, press enter or the search icon. You'll immediately see a pin where the coordinates point. Make sure to include the minus sign for west or south values, otherwise the location may flip hemispheres. Once the pin appears, zoom in and examine nearby labels to confirm accuracy. Switch to satellite view for visible landmarks, buildings, roads, coastline, which helps verify the spot. If the pin is slightly off, right-click on desktop or long press on mobile and choose What's Here. That returns exact coordinates and an address snippet. Make sure to compare those return numbers to your source. Small rounding differences can move the marker by meters, so adjust. After verifying the pin, save it to a list or share the link directly. Tap Share to generate a URL or copy corrected coordinates from the info card. If you need navigation, choose Directions and pick a start point. If results are wrong, recheck common errors, missing minus signs, flipped order, longitude, latitude, or extra spaces. If a format mismatch persists, convert degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal degrees and try again. That usually resolves stubborn location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.